When are tourist crowds the worst in NYC? Imagine walking through a city that never sleeps and feeling like you're part of a giant parade. Well, that can happen if you visit during certain busy times. The busiest periods in New York City are from June to August and late November to December. During the summer months, the weather turns warm to hot, often with high humidity, making the city feel even warmer. Crowds swell in popular spots like Times Square and Central Park because many tourists come from around the world to enjoy the sunshine and outdoor events. Expect long lines at major attractions and packed public transportation. Summer festivals like the Museum Mile Festival in June, 4th of July fireworks, and summer concerts draw even more visitors. Hotel prices and flights tend to be at their highest during these months because everyone wants to be in the city. In winter, especially from late November through December, the city becomes a holiday wonderland. The weather is cold, often below freezing, but the streets are decorated with lights and holiday displays. This season attracts many domestic travelers for events like the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade and ice skating in Central Park. Because of all the festivities, popular spots are crowded and hotel rates skyrocket, especially around Christmas and New Year's Eve. If you want to avoid the biggest crowds, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of spring and fall. April and May or September and October usually have pleasant weather and fewer tourists. Planning ahead by booking your accommodations early can save you money and long waits. Exploring neighborhoods like Greenwich Village, Brooklyn, or Harlem offers a more relaxed vibe away from the crowds. Knowing when the city is busiest helps you plan better. If you want to enjoy the sights without fighting the crowds, avoid the summer months and holiday season. Instead, aim for spring or fall when the weather is nice and the streets are a little less crowded. That way, you can enjoy your trip at a more relaxed pace and really soak in the city's energy without the rush.